Next up, runner's lunge stretch. 3, 2, 1,
I'm stretching my pants.
So last time we're able to set your goals depending on what or which job-related components you are going to work out. Okay, so what are those 5 components? What are those 5 components that we talked about last time? Muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, and your body mass. Your body mass, your BMI, so your height and your weight. Okay, so here, before we move on to really doing, because last time we only set your goals, right? So this time, before we move on to the workout exercises, we will have, or you are going to have, or undergo circuit training. This is circuit training wherein these are a series of exercises that will help or improve your lower body and upper body muscles. Disarrange this.
I am I'm from Adobe International School. I am 13 years old. This unit we are learning the circuit training, and the global context is communication, and the key concept is the physical health. The one activity I enjoy the most is the bleep test. I got to run for 5 or 10 minutes a run. I am developing my endurance and to see how long I can last.
I am Anand from grade 7B. We are currently learning workout and keeping our bodies fit, trying to be healthy. I believe I can achieve communicating. I'm not very physically fit, so I try my best and I seek advice from others.
My name is Christabelle Planas. I am currently teaching grade 7 to grade 6 to grade 10 PE. What I am teaching is fitness testing. The key concept for it is communication, and the global context is identities and relationships. I always start every day, or in every lesson, I always start with giving lectures or short introduction about the topic, and then I will give tasks, different tasks, which includes doing activities that are peer teaching and or cooperative learning or in groups. Then after that, I make sure that the skills or the criteria should meet, and then give feedback or reflection at the end, before the end of the discussion or the activity. IB learner profile that I think demonstrated by my students are, first one is open-mindedness, because in that activity, students should do circuit training or personal workout routine. And open-mindedness because they will be able to see, or they will be able to see what activities or what exercises they should do depending on the goal that they are aiming. Because I give them activities which is in relation to the health-related components of fitness, and they need to choose 3 activities or 3 criteria that they need to improve. Now, open-mindedness is developed through searching for exercises that will improve those criteria, at the same time will reach their goals. Another one is well-balanced, because in this activity, fitness testing, students are tested and identified if they are good in doing sports, or if their fitness is good or not. Or as also in this test, they are tested if they are capable to do a sport or not.